Today we meet a physician in Colorado who was diagnosed with COVID-19 and recovered. What she's doing now to help others with the disease is demonstrating the warrior way. So you had COVID.
Yes.
How are you doing now?
I'm doing really well. Yeah, we were very lucky. So both me and my fiance ended up getting sick, and we were both very lucky that it was pretty mild for both of us.
Now on the other side of her COVID-19 fight, Dr. Mackenzie Lewis talked to me about her experience as a patient.
I first started with a headache and a little bit of a cough. And then a couple days in, I lost my sense of taste and smell. I woke up and was drinking coffee and said, "Can you taste this?" And it just tasted like hot water.
When she was diagnosed last March, Dr. Lewis experienced symptoms that weren't widely known yet. She and her fiance were navigating this new virus in the dark.
It was a little bit scary sort of seeing what was going on and watching, because really those were the early days of when it was really ramping up in Colorado.
For 14 days, they quarantined at home.
We did yard work and we walked the dog and we did some of those kinds of things, but it did feel very odd and very isolating. My mom would bring us groceries and leave them on the porch and we'd wave through the window.
A disease isolating both physically and emotionally.
I was worried about being labeled or outcast or something like that. And so we really didn't tell our neighbors. Our family knew, but we didn't post anything on social media.
And now a survivor of COVID-19, Mackenzie is leading the way as a warrior.
I was the first Colorado donor for Vitalant.
She's donating her antibody-rich plasma to others fighting the disease. So far, she's donated enough plasma to help 8 patients.
This way of helping people, it feels very different than seeing patients in my clinic. This was very much, I gave my body to help another body.
Really interesting perspective from a doctor who was a patient. And we're looking to feature warriors in our community. If you know of someone overcoming an obstacle, lifting others up in the process, let me know. Nominate their story at 9news.com/warriorway. We'll be right back.